Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the one more simple. It means simple means it is very simple coding. That is the missing R element. Because this one we have coded multiple times during our college days or when we are a fresher. But when you are experienced, uh, we may forget the formula because the finding missing R element is based on one the math formula which we are going to apply. Today I'm going to explain what it is and how can we easily remember. Okay, so okay, let's begin the coding. Yes, as I mentioned in my earlier coding video, I'm going for Java Online Compiler. I'm going here. Okay, so the first step is you can maximize this and you can remove this system.out.println which is not required. Okay, so let's create an integer array. Okay, I will create this array here. So okay, 5. Now I will print go for the next one, 7. Okay, let's say the interviewer gave this number, this array of integers, where he will ask us to find the missing array element. Okay, here this program looks simple when we heard, right? So by looking at the array itself we can say that okay, the missing array element here is 6. But once we define this in programmative way, we need to remember some of the formulas which is very important, because we practice this program during our college days or when we are fresher, when we are looking for the fresher job. But once you get experience, you got busy and are stuck with your day-to-day work. Now we have a lot of stuffs, right? Since if you are trying for a job, if you are working as a Java backend professional, there is we can't see arrays normally. We are working with the list map, hash map, linked hash map, concurrent hash map, which we are using in spring MVC, spring boot, or microservice architecture. Now we are having Kafka, everything. Okay, so in this busy life we may forget this formula. Okay, so it is, you can just brush up the things similarly how I am going to do. Okay, so the first one is we need to define that n value. That n is nothing but whatever the maximum value here. The last value is 7, so we will consider it as 7. That will be the n value. So here we are going to have int, you just say total. Okay, total, which is where that formula coming to picture, where n multiply by n plus 1, that has to be divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula we have to remember. Now int sum equal to 0. Okay, now we are going for the for each loop, which is very easy. Instead of going for int equal to 0, that number of character, array length and everything, it is very easy thing. Okay, int num, so for each of that array. So here what you have to do, we need to add sum plus equals to num. Okay, so this will give the sum. Okay, this the for loop is ended here. So in the system dot out dot println, we are having one more calculation we have to do is whatever the total value which we got in the line number 8, that has to be minused with whatever the value we got in sum. Okay, sum. So this will give the minimum value, sorry, missed r element value. Okay, that will be 6. See, in the output your guys are saying 6. Okay, if you have any doubt I can put 6 here. Okay, so I can remove this 2, so the expected output should be 2. Okay, so one more thing is let's say if you get confused, let me add 2 here. Okay, so I will add a few more digits, 9. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, the missing element r element is 8, that should come 8. Okay, so yeah, it is 8 because see I'm not getting the expected value. what mistake I did, I need to put that value here n equal to 9. That is the maximum value we have to put. I will show you how this actually works. Okay, normally the line number 8, right, that is like 9 into 10 by 2. Okay, what is the value? 90 by 2 means that will be 45. Okay, this will give the 45. Here the sum of these 2 plus 1 3 6 10 15 21 28 28 plus 9 37, right? 37. So what we are here doing, we are just subtracting 45 minus 37. So the value should be 8, right? Because 15 minus 8 should be 8. This is how it works. So it is better to remember the calculation part which is required, and rest of the thing is very easy. Here the logical stuff is nothing but this line number. Okay, if you're good at the for each and for loops and everything, it is nothing, but it is very simple, easy, but sometimes it is tricky. If you are not remember the formula exactly, the interviewer from painter perspective, he will think that even though you are good at basic coding and advanced stuffs like Spring Boot and microservices, but the coding part will give you a good impression if you write the simple code as well. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Please do like and subscribe my video and support me.